walking through the night, chasing down a feeling I can't name. Every step I take is a step away from yesterday. In the afterglow, I'm finding my way through the dark. All the lights go low, but I see the future in the stars. Dreams don't fade, they just take a different kind of shape. Lost inside the haze, every moment feels like it's too late. One more chance, let me prove that I can make it right. I've been waiting all my life to feel the fire burning bright. In the silence now, I can hear the truth inside the noise. Standing at the edge of everything I've been and what I'll be. In the afterglow, I'm finding my own way. Through the dark, all the lights go low, but I see the future in the stars. In the afterglow, I'm finding my own way through the dark. All the lights go low, but I see the future in the stars. Rain falls on the glass, every single drop's a memory. Time keeps moving fast, but I hold on to the melody. All the words I've kept echo through the halls of where I've been. Somewhere in the silence I can feel my heart begin again. Open up the door, let the light come streaming in to wash away who I used to be. Nothing left to prove, I'm finally free. I'm letting go in the afterglow.